Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Apple iPhone 15 Pro smartphone. In this video you will learn how to set personal hotspot in Apple iPhone 15 Pro. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here and then go to personal hotspot and turn on allow others to join and click on Wi-Fi hotspot. Minimum 8 characters should be used here. So letters and numbers may be the best choice. Here for demo purpose I used 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and click on done and click on maximize compatibility. Turn on this button so that every other devices that is other devices like Android devices can detect your phone and go to home screen now. Bring another device. Here I have another Android device. In this device go to Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi and signal from your phone. Yes, it has been detected and yes, it is showing here. So in this way you can easily connect your device, and if you have any internet in your phone here, that can be shared to this device too. In this way you can easily set mobile hotspot. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.